So good morning once again. In the last class, we have discussed question number 2, 8 part, and we have seen in this question also that by regrouping in the first way, we were not able to find the answer. I think this was that, na? That way I have erased, and this was the way by which we have got the answer. So let's continue after that. Class, please tell me if you have any doubts in the remaining questions. We will discuss that only. Please ask. Harshul, your camera is on, I think. Please check. Okay. Okay. Ananya is saying no doubts. Class, let us see question number 3 now. In question number 3, what do we have? Factorize the expressions. First one is very easy. By common, you can do it. Second one, 7p square plus 21pq. Again, by common only, it will be done. Third one, 2x cube, 2xy square, 2x square. By common, it will be done. Third is also easy. Fourth, am square, bm square. Let us try this one, fourth one. You can ask in between if you have any doubts, but be quick to ask. The fourth part of question number 3 is am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square. Class, tell me which group should we form? I think here two possible cases are there. You can tell me anyone, first, second, third, fourth, or like that. Okay, Aryan is saying a plus b. Let us see. I think in this case also we can take common m square. Here we can take common n square. So first possible group. Second possible group is if we take this a and this a, and we take this b and this b. So both the ways are correct, whichever way you want. First, second, third and fourth, or first and fourth, second and third. Whichever way is good for you, you can go for that, no issue. So we will go for what is given to us. So first, taking common m square, we will get, let me take blue pen only, it is quite thicker also. So taking m square common, we will get what? We will get a plus b inside. Then here we have a plus sign. Now I'm taking n square common. What is inside? B plus a. And if you observe, class, by this regrouping, we have observed that this thing and this thing is same. So this can be taken common again, and by that we will get a plus b common. In bracket, in the first place m square is left, in the second place n square is left. So with that we have done the factorization. Any issue, class, in this question? You can ask. Joel, also put bracket on a plus b. If you write like this, Joel, please see, if you write like this, it means that m square plus n square is multiplying with b only, not with a. And that this is wrong, this kind of writing. You have to understand the value of bracket. Bracket makes sure that the content is intact together. Sir, why do we do these questions? These don't help in daily life. Actually, these all are your exercise of your brain, and they will help you someday indirectly. Okay, don't worry for that. This is all sort of exercise for your brain. Whatever you are learning today will help you in future to understand the bigger issues. Okay, sir, eighth and ninth part of question number 3. Okay, yes, Joel, now correct. Eighth and ninth part. Before that, let me see if there is any tough part. What if I take fifth part is easy, no issue. Still, I am showing you fifth part. Those who have issue, for them, lm plus l plus m plus 1. This is very easy if you understand. In this case, l is common. If you take l common, you will get m plus 1 plus m plus 1. Now what can we do? Class, we are seeing m plus 1 is here, m plus 1 is here. Put a bracket like this. Now what to do? Please tell. we will take what common? We will take m plus 1 as common. In the first place, what is left? Please tell. When m plus 1 is taken common, in the first place, what is left? Yes, L is left. Then we have a plus sign. Then what is left? Please tell. Nothing or something? Yes, whenever nothing is there, you have to write 1, because after again multiplying it, you should get what you had before. Okay, that you need to keep in mind. That's it. Now, uh, fifth part is done. Sixth part is again very easy. Seventh part we can try. I think seventh part is also regrouping. You can do. Eighth part, as said by Hiteshri. Let's see eighth part. Or if you want, I can take seventh part also. Let me take seventh part also, so that those who have issues and those who are not asking, they will get how to solve it. 5y square minus 20y minus 8z plus 2yz. Class, again, how can we solve this question? By taking common, by regrouping, or by what way? What do you say? Class, please help. We can do by grouping, I think. Yes. So if we see these two as a group, I think it will work. Let's try. We will take common as 5, because 5 and 20, they can be taken common 5. Y can be taken common. In the bracket, what will be left? Out of 5y square, we have taken 5y out. So y will left inside. Then we have a minus sign. Then from 25 is taken, so 4 is left, and y is already taken common, so it is, that's it. Now we have to be very careful what to be taken common. This time we can take common as I think 2z. So let's take common 2z plus 2z. I am taking common. Let's see what is left behind. Minus 4 plus y. Yes. So you can observe now. And class, do observe this thing. I have taken common plus 2z. Okay, it is not multiplying in this thing. So this thing is common. So we have y minus 4 y minus 4 5y plus 2z. Okay, that's it. Now let's take the 8th part. It is good to see that you have people have solved a lot of questions, and almost you have done all the parts. 10ab plus 4a plus 5b plus 2. Now please help me in this part. What to be done? Shall we do regrouping one, common one, identity one? Which one to go for? Please tell in this question. Hiteshri, you had doubt. Just tell which thing should we go for? Regrouping, identity, common. Okay, Rachit is saying by regrouping it will be done. Let us see if I regroup in the first two and in the last two, what will happen. In the first two, we have found that 2 is common as constant, a is common as variable. After that, what is left? After that, what is left? If 2a is taken common, Hiteshri, don't worry. You can take other group also, no issue. 5 is left over here, b is left over here, plus I think 2 is left, because 2 into 2a is 4a also. So this is okay. Now if you observe, this same thing is here also. So we should take only one as common in this thing, because we want the remaining term as it is. Then only we can take again common 5b plus 2, and the answer is 5b plus 2, 2a plus 1. Now I think Hiteshri, it is clear to you. The group that you are saying is also okay. Hiteshri is saying, sir, we can take the group as, let me show you that also. Hiteshri is saying, sir, what if we take the group 10AB and 5B plus 4A plus 2? So she has shifted the terms. She has brought together 10AB and 5B, 4A and 2. Let's see what can be done. In this case, 5 constant is common. So do one question of middle term splitting. Joel, don't worry. Soon we will be on that topic. Don't worry for that. 5 is common, B is common. What is left inside? 2A is left plus 1 is left. And in this case, Hiteshri, you can see 2 is common, 2A plus 1 is left. After that, you can take common 2A plus 1 and 5B plus 2. And you can compare. You can compare by both the ways we are getting the same answer. Yes, Hideshri, fine now. So you are free to take group of your choice in case you are not getting the answer. In that case only you have to, yes Rashid, beta, you are correct. Don't worry. Now, Hideshri, I think ninth part also is your doubt. So let us take ninth part also. In the ninth part we have 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. I will do it a little quicker. If you see in this group and in this group, let us try. Y is common and 2 is common. So 3x is left over here, 2 is left over here. In this group, you will take common. Suppose 3 you have taken common, or what you will take? Okay, 3 let us take. Plus 3 I have taken common. Class, please see. I have taken common plus 3. And what will happen by that? We will have one issue in this case. Please see. Observe. 2 minus 3x. So class, if I have taken plus 3 common, I am getting 2 minus 3x. Are these two same or different? Please tell. Are these two brackets same or different? They are different because of the negative sign. Here 3x is positive, here 3x is negative. Here 2 is positive, 2 is negative. So that means we have to make them same. What can be done in this second bracket so that they become same? No, beta, no issue. You can just take minus outside. Khushi, you are correct. Instead of plus 3, we should have taken minus 3 common. But don't worry. After this also, you can take minus 1 common. After this step also, when you have observed, you require this to be different, you can take minus common like this. Now I have taken minus common. So what will happen? The signs will change inside. It become minus 2. It become plus 3x. So it is also correct. In some case, you are very much what you say. You can see the future. In that case, you will take minus 3 common. If you are not able to see the future, so what you can do? You can do like this only first case, and in second case, you can take common negative sign. I hope everyone is clear. If you have the visualization power and you can see 2-3 steps further, you can take minus 3 common in the first place only. And if you're not able to take minus 3 common in the first step, you can see future after that, and then you can take minus common. Both are correct, no issue. So now after taking minus 3 common, we can observe these two are exactly same, and now we can take them common, and the main answer is 2y minus 3. Many of you may do the mistake of not comparing properly. So please check properly, are they equal or not, because a little sign of negative also can change everything. So you have to be very careful while taking common. So thank you Hideshri for giving this doubt so that others were able to see this problem of negative common. I hope it is clear to everyone. I hope it is clear to everyone. Please type P if it is clear. Yes, thank you. So now let's take the next question. As asked by Joel, he wants to solve some question by middle term splitting. Rachit, better nothing is there. Only thing is after taking common in the first step, let me show you again. See, after the first step, what I found is that these two are not equal. Why these two are not equal? Because this is minus 3x, this is plus 3x, this is minus 2, this is plus 2. Every number is same, only sign is changed. So I have to make the sign same. To make the sign same, I have taken minus 1 common from second bracket. So that is why this plus became minus, because I have taken minus common, and due to which the inner signs have changed and now they are same. Rachit, you can see now they are same. So if you have good visualization power, in this step only you will take minus 3 common. If you have not, in that case you can take in the next step. That's it. No issue. Okay. Rachit, fine beta. Okay. Now let's take question number 4. In question number 4, what do we have? Okay, factorize. First one is easy. Second one, let us try. Class, we have not studied any of the formula of this case of power 4. So what should we do? Please help me. What can we say? From where this p square came? Sorry, p power 4 came. From which number this p power 4 came? Please tell. No, Vardhan, not from p. It came from p square whole square. Very good, Joel. It came from p square whole square, because we have studied the formula of square only. So then we have a negative sign. Then we have to think of 81. 81 came from 81 came from 9 square. Very good. So now you compare with a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We get a is equal to p square and b is equal to 9. Now just put the value. Therefore, answer is p square plus 9 and p square minus 9. So class, you can leave the question here also, but you will find that again the formula can be applied in this second term. What do you say? Can we again apply the same formula in the second term? If you want, you can leave here also, it is correct. But if you want to further simplify it, you can again put the formula over here and you can say the final answer is p square plus 9 p plus 3 p minus 3. So again I have applied the formula in this case, and you will find this is the factorized form only. This is the factorized form. Sir, please repeat the last step. Okay beta, one second. Actually, what happened? We got this answer. We all were happy. But suddenly, someone checked the answer at the back and they got little bit disappointed that, sir, in the back, this thing is not there. They have given something else. So I said, what do you observe in this again? So you observe that this one is okay, nothing can be done further. But in this second one, you can write p square as p square and 9 as 3 square. So you said, okay, we can write like this. After this, you can again apply the formula and you can say the answer is p square plus 9, p plus 3 and p minus 3. Now Shiv, please tell, are you able to understand this one? So this one is also correct. This is also factorized form. This is also factorized form. The only difference is it is simplified factorized form. That's it. So in case you are able to see that again the formula can be applied, it is better you apply that again. Because in life also we try to simplify things. Okay. We don't like huge things. We want simplified things. Now let us take another part. Let's take the third part, because in third part I know some of you must be thinking it is very tough, but it is very easy question. Let us take. Class, please help me. From where this x power 4 came? Please help me. Oh, before that, let us do one thing. Uh, one second. Call is coming. Just 1 second. Stop the recording. Pause recording. Okay. Now, class, we can observe this x power 4 is coming from what? X square square. Yes. Then we have minus sign. This is coming from y plus z square whole square. Yes, class. That's it. Now what we can do is we can assume let y plus z. Okay. Yes, let y plus z equal to m. We can take y plus z as m. Now the question become easy. We can say it is now x square square minus m square square. Is this clear to everyone? I can solve the question in this way also, but just to make it easy for you, I am going for substitution. Class, just to make it easy for you, I am going for substitution because dealing with two terms together will be tough for you. That is why I have taken it as a single variable m. Now we can say the answer is x square plus m square into x square minus m square. Till this point, any issue? Please ask. Any issue, beta? Please ask. I have only opened the formula. Now tell me, is this the final step or can we solve it further? Is this the final answer or can we solve it further? Yes, it can be solved further. This is not an identity, but this is a identity. This is not a identity, but this is a identity. We can solve further and we can write like this: x plus m, x minus m. Now what do you say? Is it done? Shall we leave the answer like this? Is it done? No. What to be done, beta? Why it is not done? Something is left. We again have to see in the question m was not there. M was given by us. So it is our responsibility that the packaging done by us should be removed again. So we will again put the value of m is equal to how much? Y plus z. So we have to put m equal to y plus z. Now just tell me if I am correct or wrong. If I write like this, x square plus y plus z square, x plus y plus z, x minus y plus z. Am I correct this way? Am I correct? No. Why I am incorrect? Because I have told you whenever you substitute any value, always substitute in a class. Whenever we are substituting any value, we should always substitute in a bracket. Yes. So this bracket is very much important. This bracket is very much important. This bracket is very much important, and you will see how it changed everything. Here, no need to open the bracket because nothing will change. So leave it as it is. In this case, you can open, and in this case, you will find everything is changed. And this is the final answer. So you need to be very much careful of at the time of substitution and at the time of resubstitution that the brackets are there or not. These brackets will change everything for you. Okay, class, fine. Now we can take one more part. Suppose I take, let us do for Joel. I think fifth part is easy. Joel, for you we can take the first part. Okay, question number 5, fifth part by Joel, for Joel, sorry. So p square plus 6p plus 8. Class, please help me. Can we use any identity in this? Can we use any identity? Can we say 8 is square of something? Can we say? Yes, we can say p is square of p, but 8 is not a square of anything. That means we will have to use the fourth identity. Class, what do you say? we will have to use the fourth identity, that is comparing with x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now tell me class, what is the value of a plus b? So x is p, that is fine. What is the value of a plus b? Please tell, what is the value of a plus b? Class, what is the value of a plus b? Please tell. By comparison, this is x, this is p. What is the value of a plus b? Only 6. Only 6 is the value of a plus b, the constant part. So a plus b is 6. And what is the value of ab? Please tell. What is the value of ab? Okay, Aryan is giving the answer. AB is 8. Now we have to think from these two equations, what is the value of A and B? First, tell me the nature. First, tell me the nature of A and B. Are they both positive, both negative, one positive, one negative? Please tell. Are they both positive, both negative, one positive, one negative? They both are positive. Very good, because sum is positive, product is positive. That means they both are positive. It is clear. Now tell me, how will you find the value of A and B? You will prime factorize the product. So 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now we will form the pairs. If you see 4 and 2, yes Joel, very good. So if we go for 4 and 2, A equal to 4 and B is equal to 2, we have formed the pair. And we can write it as like this: P square plus 4 plus 2P plus 4 into 2. And now it is comparable, exactly same to same, and the answer is P plus 4 into P plus 2. This is the answer. Class, I hope you all were able to understand this. Time is almost up. I am stopping the recording.